Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching how to make the back post triple crochet stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, and you will need to know how to make the triple crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those, and I will have them listed down below. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see if the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I used regular double crochet stitches. The row that I'm currently working, I made 3 chains, and then I worked a regular triple crochet stitch into this first stitch right here. So I'm ready to make my first back post triple crochet stitch. First thing you're going to do is yarn over your hook twice. You're then going to insert your hook in between this first stitch right here that we worked into and the next one that you would want to work into. You're going to insert your hook from the back of your work in between them, so it's going to poke out this front in the front through this open space, and then you're going to take it in front of that next stitch and it's going to poke out the other side. And I'm going to grab that yarn, you're going to pull it through both spaces. This is where you would finish like a regular triple crochet stitch. You're going to yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops, yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops, yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops. So it's going to be one back post triple crochet stitch made. I'm going to work a regular triple right here in this next stitch. Again, you're going to yarn over your hook twice. You're going to insert your hook in between this stitch right here that you just worked into and the next one, but you're going to insert it through the back. It's going to poke out this open space. Then you're going to put it in front of that next stitch, so it's going to poke out the space on the other side of that stitch. You're going to grab that yarn, you're going to pull it through both spaces. Then you're going to yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops, yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops, yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops. Work another regular right here in between this one. Yarn over your hook twice, insert it in between this stitch that you just worked and this next one that you would want to work, but you're going to stick it in between through the back. It's going to go in front of that stitch and poke out the other side. You're going to grab that yarn, you're going to pull it through both spaces. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops, yarn over, take that through 2 loops, yarn over, take that through 2 loops. I'm going to do a regular triple right here in this next one. The reason I'm doing regular triple crochets in between them is you can see how the back post ones are recessed into the work and the regular triples are sort of raised, and it's just going to show the texture of it. So again, yarn over your hook twice. You're going to insert it through the back of your work in between these 2 stitches right here. It's going to poke out the front, and you're going to take it in front of that next stitch. It's going to poke out the other side. Grab that yarn, pull it through both spaces. Yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops. Yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops. Yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops. Regular triple right here. Alright, this is going to be my last back post triple of this row. Yarn over your hook twice, insert it in between this stitch that you just worked and this next stitch. It's going to go through the back and poke out the front, and then wrap it in front of that stitch. It's going to poke out the other side of that stitch. Grab that yarn, pull it through both spaces, yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops, yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops, yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops. I'm doing a regular triple in this stitch right here. So this is what the front of your work is going to look like. You can see that the back post ones we made are wrapping around those stitches that we worked around. And then this is what the back of your work is going to look like. And that is going to be how to make the back post triple crochet stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos or tutorials that you would like to see. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.